Yo, what up, everyone? CryptoMarxist, aka Bone Army, coming at ya. So, as you guys know, Pepe's been on fire. Right now, it's in a little retrace, and the thing is that it's a great opportunity. If you guys hear some beeping in the background, that's my girl getting a workout in because that's what we do. So, but I did want to say congratulations to Pepe for the Pepe community for reaching 78,000 holders. So we're over here on Etherscan. Let's go ahead and check this out real quick. So you guys know the supply, 420 trillion, 690 billion, and holders are 78,058. So every single day they've been gaining holders. And in fact, today is the one of the lowest gain in terms of percentages. Why? Because the chart is tanking a little bit, right? Let's go ahead and check that out. So if you guys see, it has $7 million in total liquidity. The total volume sits at about $46 million today, and the market cap is at 420. It was at $406 million before I started making this video. So something funny, right? So I started recording this video, and then I started giving you guys TA talking about the chart. It was about like 10 minutes long, explaining when it was going to reach a billion, uh, showing you supports, uh, and I wasn't sharing. So I was saying all that, but I don't even know what screen was on. Maybe the website one or the Etherscan one. But what I was saying in that video was exactly what's happening right now. That the accumulation zone right now it's in an accumulation zone. So this is not financial advice, but as you see here, we have a support. This is the primary, what I call the primary support. This is secondary support and tertiary support. So this one right here is from the bottom, and this is from the top. So these are from the lows, and this is from the highs, and this is from the beginning. That's why this is the primary one, because this is the one I expect the chart to bounce off of and go up. But what I was gonna say is, look, extreme accumulation zone. It hit that for a brief moment. Whenever it hits an extreme accumulation zone, as I mentioned, it'll immediately bounce back up. And here it is. And I actually was saying that this candlestick was going to be green. And they're 15-minute candles, right? It's green. Unfortunately, I'm probably not going to post that other video, but just like I expected, it's actually going to start shooting back up. It might, in that last video, I said it might actually touch 600 to $700 million today, because Pepe it's too hot right now. It's too hot. People want what's hot right now. All right. It right now is shooting up to 432 million, and it'll shoot back down, shoot back up. In fact, it might continue in this wedge right here. It might shoot back up, bounce off of this resistance, sell again, bounce off of this support, come over here, bounce back down, flip it, bounce here, and once it surpasses this primary resistance and flips it to support, it's probably going to go parabolic. If it goes parabolic, it might reach $1 billion at that point. And look how close 1 billion is. Look how close 1 billion is. It's almost halfway there. It's almost halfway there. So this is probably going to keep going up. People are going to see that it's going up. They're going to probably FOMO back in. So it's down about 28% on the day. And the thing about that is that these meme coins normally go down about 43% when they retrace. Okay, so expect maybe it to hit and maybe continue to go down, because this is a downward resistance, and it's actually been bouncing off of this one as well. Boom, right there, went back down, bounced up, didn't even touch it, went back down, bounced up, broke it for a brief moment, came back down, tested it, tested it, tested it, tested it, came back down. As expected, was going to be downward. Now, boom, shooting back up. If it bounces off of this one, expect it to maybe wedge itself. It might naturally wedge here, break out, continue here into this wedge. And once it actually breaks this wedge, it might continue to go parabolic. FOMO is going to kick in. The thing about it is it has too much volume coming in. So when I started the video, it was at $406 million. Right now, it's at $439 million. So already, just within the span of the video, it increased $33 million in market cap. So of course, it's going to go up. It's going to go down. That's why some people don't like crypto. It's too volatile. But actually, that volatility is what changes lives. If you get positioned correctly, some of these plays are life changing. So that being said, my prediction: when is 1 billion hitting? Well, based on this chart, we have this is a top right here. So I actually, it might, if it flirts with this, the earliest that this could reach a billion, in my opinion. Here, let's go to the 4-hour chart real quick. We need to check the 4-hour chart. Okay, so here it is. Yeah. So don't bounce off of that. Being too much, it's too much buy pressure coming in, is the thing. So it's gonna come in. I can actually see it bouncing off of this wedge, coming back up, bouncing off of this. So I see it between the 7th and the 9th. Maybe I'll do a video specifically to see if I'm correct. So I'll do a prediction that PEPE is probably going to reach $1 billion in market cap between the 7th of May and the 9th of May. So maybe I should say PEPE to $1 billion before May 10th. So that's my prediction right now, based on the chart. That's, man, based on the support levels, based on the volume, because right now PEPE's volume is higher than Doge. It's higher than Shiba Inu. The 24-hour volume for PEPE is higher than Polygon. We're talking about established blockchains that have multi-billion and trillion-dollar companies working with them, like Walt Disney, Marvel, Universal, all kinds of other, companies that want to get in, releasing NFTs, that want to use the transactions, the pay methods through their blockchain, because it is a layer 2 on Ethereum, which is secure. And here you have a meme coin coming out of nowhere, blowing out of the water, established AVAX. PEPE has more volume coming in than AVAX. We're looking at a 24-hour volume metric. Okay, who is AVAX? Well, AVAX just signed a multi-million-dollar contract with Amazon, one of the biggest companies that has ever existed in the history of humanity. So think about that for a little bit. So that's what I'm saying. This is a phenomenon that I'm not telling you what to do. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I do if I was you. I myself waited too long on PEPE. I saw it when it was at 3 million. I saw it when it was at 5 million. I saw it when it was at 10 million. I saw it when it was at 20. At 25, I said next retrace, I'll get a small bag. It shot up to 30 million, 35. I said, I'll wait for the retrace. It kept shooting up. It went up to 50 million. It shot up to 70 million. It ended up passing 100 million. It got to 170 million. And I said, okay, you know what? Whatever it is, I'm just going to get a small bag. It shot down to 150. Then it shot down to 130. So first purchase was 130, shot down below 100. I re-upped my bag on. I knew Pepe was gonna shoot back up, so I doubled down on that because that's how it's done. You know what I mean? And here we are. It's at four. It's about to break $450 million. So just on that, whatever got in under 100 million is now at four times. It's very difficult in life to make four times an investment, uh, especially traditional ways. So that's the one thing about crypto. It is very volatile, but it is very rewarding when you get in on the right play. So my prediction, like I said, is before. So you know what? Let me adjust this right here. I should adjust this, but you know what? No, because that's what it says. So I think, but before May 10th, Pepe will be at $1 billion market cap. Below, so between the 7th and the 9th, that's probably when it's going to reach 1 billion market cap. So that's the video for you guys right there. CryptoMarxist, aka Bone Army, with my co-host Itachi right here. You know what I mean? So that being said, let's go ahead and before I leave though, just run the stats down real quick. So we have 7,260,000 in total liquidity. We're sitting at about 1,940 pooled wrapped ETH. The pooled Pepe is sitting at about 3 trillion. The market cap is $452 million, 480,000. And then, yeah, the holders, like I said, are at over. In fact, let's just see what the latest is. Let's see what the latest is. What is the latest? 78,146. So that's what it's at. This right here is probably not going to stop going. Pepe is the meme coin of the year, hands down. You know, a lot of people were hating on it. A lot of people are still hating on it, especially a lot of these Bitcoin maximalists, because um, they don't like to see these massive gains when it comes to these meme coins, especially because Pepe really has no utility, right? So, but that being said, it has utility if people are buying it, right? So, I guess that defeats that argument. CryptoMarxist, aka Bone Army, coming at you. Go ahead and hit that sub if you're new to the channel. Go ahead and hit that like. Help me with the algorithm so I can spread the word on Pepe and giving the TA based on my metrics, not traditional. Some of these methods I myself am devising and inventing. And look, the way that they're coming out, just let the chart dictate what it's going to do and the volume. All right, it really isn't too difficult if you analyze what's happening and how how market caps operate. Okay, because some people will tell you market caps don't matter. Actually, the market cap is simply uh, the equation between the money coming in the liquidity pool and the total supply of a token. Okay, a lot of times the circulating supply. So that being said, CryptoMarxist been fun, everyone, and I'm out.